I'm not so sure if I can get a taxi to Joburg from here. Let me just ask this old lady if I can get a taxi to Joburg. Sabona ma, njani? Ngawathola ama taxi kuya Joburg la? Atholakala kuphi? Ngapha ne? Ngikhomba 2. Okay guys, now we are walking in Rabie. This is Rabie for you guys. Rabie is situated in it's just near Tembisa, right? Near Midrand. It's under Midrand actually. Can we say it's under Midrand? But it's also near Tembisa. So this area actually made Rabie. Their housings, they are quite improved. They are not like these houses that I've been showing you from Ivory Park. This wood actually is for colors, though now it's now a mix of people, also black people just like me, also living in this area. And yeah, it looks like this, and the house is looking like that as well. So I'm going to be showing you this place because, you know, some time back in the apartheid era, people were divided. The colors were given their area. Black people like me were given also their area, and whites also given their area. So when you see this type of places, like for the colors, it was like it's much better. Even the place is much bigger. Their sense, their home sense, they are much bigger, not like these other places. And you see that they used to enjoy better than the black people, because their privileges were much more than of the black people. No wonder why you see these houses are looking like this. But you know, these housings, they're not far away from Ivory 2, where I've been vlogging, where I showed you that those videos, those housing very closely tied. Yeah, I will tell you that life for people should be, life for the black people living around that area should be, you know, improved. They should get areas to say, better areas than that, I think. But you know, that's the problem that black people are facing in Africa, especially in South Africa. But I don't want to get too much into that. That's how I see it. That's my own vision. That's how I see it. So don't take everything that I said for granted, guys. Let's just see this area. We came to do that. That's what we came here to. We didn't come here to say a lot about people. So what could we? So this is Rabie for you guys. It's really beautiful housings if you check here. Beautiful houses. And that there over there is a church. Yeah. I remember 19, I can't remember the year exactly. I had an accident here. My first car that I bought in. I was so a boy, very boy, and I had an accident here. So this place reminds me a lot of years ago. But the thing then is, I'm still vlogging. Look at those houses there, guys. Isn't it amazing houses? Sort of a checking under the television. I have to see. I have to show you that. Those amazing houses in Rabie, a place where the colors stay, but I can see it's now very, very, very mixed. It's the colors, it's the blacks. And the last time that I was here, there were more colors than blacks, but now then I think the population is now like half colors and black. though we all know that colored in the black, they're all blacks, right? And I'm heading back to Pretoria today. But what I have to do, I would have again to travel all the way to Johannesburg, and from here it's about 25 bucks, 25 rand going to Johannesburg from this. Okay, so let's take that is making some noises. They are going to Johannesburg as I was told, so I just have to like that one. No, not this one. This one, no, not that one. They don't go to Joburg. This one, that's an Avanza. I'm looking the one like this one coming there. Yeah. But let's just walk a little, guys. We need to see this area first of all, right there, before I head to Johannesburg to Pretoria. I don't know, Pretoria went to another destination. But in the comments down below, guys, remember you should comment and tell me. Remember you should comment and tell me which area you want me to do for you, and I'll go to do for you. Just name the area. Don't be afraid. I'll do for you. I'll do it for you for free. Just for free. Yeah. I was hoping that I was gonna do that area down there, but because of time, I won't be able to do it today. Maybe the other time. I don't know when. Then I'll go and do Kanana. Their place, they call it Kanana. Ivory Park. Is it 4? But I know is it Kanana. All right. Yeah. So I'll do it next time. You guys who are staying in this place, you just let me know where else you want me to do. And guys, remember to subscribe. Subscribing is for free. Just subscribe, guys, and support your boy. So I think our journey ends here, guys. It has been amazing having you. I think I must be taking my taxi from here. And yeah. Joburg. All right. Last Joburg, guys. Let me rush for it. And it was nice having you around, guys. Let me just rush for this taxi here. It's going to Joburg. So that's me signing off from this area.